Oh, Christmas time. I love Christmas time. If I look a little tired though, it's because I've spent the last 3 days basically transforming our house inside and out. Put the tree up, got the ornaments up, did my Christmas village, which by the way, I love doing Christmas villages. Got lights outside, decorated the house. Just lots. I'm exhausted. But it's all done, and now it'll stay up for a month and then we take it back down. Yay! A couple of the things we did this week though was we went back to Westchester, Pennsylvania, the place where we saw the Halloween parade, and they do an even bigger parade at Christmas time called the Christmas Parade. And it is sponsored by QVC, so it's kind of a big deal. And if you go ahead of time in downtown Westchester area, they do a Christmas village kind of area, and there's all sorts of free stuff they're handing out, free hot chocolate, food to eat. It's just really neat. It was a little crowded, but it was just fun to do. Poor Finn, all he wanted to see was Santa, and he couldn't make it to the end. I mean, my man fell asleep like 5 minutes before Santa came, so I was a little bummed about that, but he got over it. And then the other thing we did was, it's not the first time we've been there, but not far from our house is a place called Joanna Furnace. It's a historical furnace from, I don't even know what year. They do a couple of festivals a year, and the Christmas one is one of my favorites because they just have the whole area decorated with lights. There's a bonfire, Christmas caroling, hot chocolate, all sorts of good food. They do a maze made of lights. They have a live nativity scene. And the best part is it's only like a couple dollars for adults. Kids are free. If you did notice, Jim is not in a lot of these pictures. He does love to hunt, and he has been doing some of that. So it's just been the kids and I, and that's fine because we still find plenty of stuff to do. But starting next week, Jim will be back in the adventures, and we'll be back together as a family. So hope you guys tune in. I know it's been a while, but I promise it will get better. And it's Christmas time. Who doesn't love Christmas time? So hopefully you're enjoying our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like our videos. Comment below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And thanks for watching. Bye.